Hello everyone, I'm back and today we are going to the Mango Mist Resort in Bangalore.
Yay! Excited?
Yeah.
Mango Mist Resort.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
We are reaching in few minutes. So get ready.
It took us about an hour to reach the resort from Bangalore and we have taken the half mango package, which is basically from 11 am to 6 pm. I can assure you this place has got it all, from adventurous activities to scrumptious food, scenic views and relaxing spas. This is a great place to visit for a single day out, as there are many activities that will keep you busy throughout the day. And yeah, let's see what we have in store for us today. And we're finally here at Mango Mist! Yay!
Let's go!
Yes, let's go. As soon as we enter the place, we are overwhelmed with a sense of greenery. There is so much greenery and so many pretty statues all around. And I think that we have gotten off to a great start right now. Then we have to go to the reception, get ourselves checked in, and then we can finally start our day. Another thing to mention is that this place is extremely Instagrammable and it is also trending nowadays because I've seen a lot of my friends go to Mango Mist Resort and I can assure you it is really pretty and it's worth a visit. One thing to remember is to keep a change of clothes, swimsuit, some sunscreen and other products which you want to use, as there will be a mist dance and a swimming pool here to keep you cooled off and yeah, so I think this is one of the things which you should remember. So we are at the reception right now. Look at the greenery of this place. The design, the choice, so pretty. Hi Gabs! What are you looking at? Oh yeah, it's a cannon. Cool. Nice.
अरे हो यार
Hey, yours is better
दिखाओ
than
ना
mine.
दिखाओ तो
Yours is better than
Naik Kevi, it's not like that.
So we finally got our map from the reception. We are over here right now in the reception and
We got
our
those-
bands.
Those bands
Yeah.
also. Those are important. And this is for child 5 to 12 years.
These are for kids. Kabir, he got his own like few coupons, I guess. So yeah.
So those are the coupons we got. These are for kids
And this is the
for
drink
adult this only everything okay. And these are the welcome drink coupon.
So these are the welcome drinks, and me and my brother have ordered the mango cane juice, which is actually very yummy, and I think it would be the best out of the 3 drinks which we had ordered. So we have ordered mango cane, fruit punch, and the cane melon.
melon
So I think the mango cane would be the best drink because I guess because it's mango mist and it's their specialty, it would taste way better than the rest. But yeah, I think in my opinion that's the best.
So good, Dad. Try it.
nice try
Melon. You tried it before you even tried it. Come.
cheers guys
I already tried it.
cheers
कभी कभी cheers कर दो.
Cheers.
This is fruit punch, right? With ice cream.
गेम खेलते हैं ना.
The first few things which we wanted to do were the rope games, and my mom tried the zip line. Hi mom, how was it?
Nice, nice.
And my brother tried the Russian ladder.
Gavi! Hui! Hui!
This one is the Z walk. I did the Burma loop. Lunch started and ended from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. It was in the format of a buffet, so we had starters outside and we had the main course inside. The starters were having a large variety, which was non-veg and veg, and it was very yummy.
Are you guys enjoying? Wow.
Having fun?
Look at the cheese pull of this margarita pizza. After lunch, we went directly to the fish spa, and the fish spa can also be done by the whole family, and this was actually a very fun and exhilarating experience for all of us.
View is around view. Come this side.
I'll just sit there. Shall I sit there? I'll sit here. It's so fun. How are you?
Gary, तुम तो ढक गए इस साइड आओ कबीर.
Oye, oye.
शॉर्ट करो ना. वही तो ऊपर आओ खाने के लिए. Gary.
क्यों मेरे में देखो? अच्छा मैं इधर कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
बाप रे यार, सब लोग इतना
I think I feel better now. I feel much better now.
conquered here. अब हाथ डाले.
हाथ भी साफ कर रहे हो. तेरे तुम्हारे पैर में नहीं है गंदगी.
They are not coming to you, Piyush, or what?
They are coming.
ये भी लुक मेरा.
मेरा देखा.
तुम्हारे में तो कोई नहीं आ रहा है यार.
मेरा देखा.
Gary, look at you. Enjoying your spa?
क्या डर रहा है?
Because I take it so much.
Pickle so much.
What is that made pinky toe?
Huh?
What is that made pinky toe?
What? Pinky toe?
One fish.
ये चली गई यार. सब भाग गई.
Now they are not hungry more.
They are all भागिंग.
थोड़ा देर तक करती हैं, फिर पता है रिलैक्स हो जाती है.
हाँ.
कभी करो ना, अंदर जाओ.
अरे ये तो अच्छा लगा.
बंद कर दो.
Now I feel better.
It started drizzling a bit, but it's very nice. I feel like it adds to the vibe when you're sitting in the fish spa and it's raining around you. It sounds so good, so relaxing and really fun actually. So we're gonna move on to kayaking now, and we're gonna think of doing a few more adventurous activities before we get into the pool. Right now I think we're doing archery. Here my parents are. So yeah, let's go.
I know how to make the swing go faster.
I spotted this swing after doing archery and we just couldn't resist swinging on it. So we had a few minutes over here too. Next we headed over to the kayaking spot. Honestly, Kabir, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Great. You are doing something, but okay. We're gonna kayak there. A big lake. It's gonna be fun. Bye! I'm leaving you, Cubs. Let's see how much coordination these people have.
Kavi, you don't do.
You're gonna make it harder.
yeah, madam.
Okay, so
Okay, now we go to paddle at the center.
Can we look?
The swimming pool, okay? Meet us at the swimming pool. Okay, we're waiting for you.
honestly, kayaking was a very adventurous thing for us to do, and it was very fun as well. There's another option for you guys to do paddling. It's a boat where you paddle, and it's for 4 people. So if your whole family wants to sit in it, then you guys can go together and have fun in that as well. Lastly, we headed over to the pools, which closes at 5. Even the mist dance, it opens from 4 to 4:45. So this would be a great time for you to go and do all the water activities. Also, if you guys want to change and keep your belongings in a safe place, you can rent out the lockers for around 200 rupees. And this is the refundable 200 rupees which you can rent out.
ऐसे रखो. sit here. You can sit down here.
That's it for today, guys. I had a lot of fun filming this video. Hope you found it helpful and hope you enjoyed the video. Let's hope that you guys go next time to this amazing, beautiful place. And yeah, you can enjoy some bloopers right here. So, bye. I'm doing it. कुछ है भी मेरे पैर में खाने के लिए.
डाउन गो डाउन नीचे जाके गो डाउन एंड मेक इट ब्रो गेट ऑफ द स्टेप थिंगी यस थैंक यू
आई रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है तो.
ओके.
वीडियो ऐसे में आड़े बंद कर दो यार.
Honestly, Kabir, what are you doing? Great. You are doing something, but okay. We're gonna kayak there. A big lake. It's gonna be fun. Bye. I'm leaving you, Cubs.